I knew that I'm going to be an engineer since I was young. I loved math, I loved physics. And when I got introduced to programming, I loved that. So there was nothing to stop me from that. I got my whole family support in doing that.
I believe I'm addicted to learning. And I think that's one reason why I love game development as well, because it's like learning day to day. The diversity of the people who are making games, the diversity of the games are going to become.
Girls in Games is a workshop for secondary school students, and apparently it's for girls. And it's just to help them get a flavor about making games. It's a good environment for girls to check their abilities. It will help them decide, is this something I would like to want to do, or is it something that is not for me, for example?
The statistics show that the percentage of female presence in gaming space is like close to 50%, actually. That's awesome that the games are out of the garage now, you know? The games are in the classroom.
I feel like people feel a little bit scared of, they feel like writing code is something that is magical. It's not like that, but it just needs someone that loves what they want and have some sort of passion about it. If they have that, then I do not think it would matter whether it's a girl or a boy. Maybe it would be more challenging for girls just to prove themselves. But if they are good, then they are good. No one is gonna stop them. They need to understand that. They do not realize that there are not many females in the field, because we, the teachers, are females. The whole class is female. So they do not get that feeling. They might get the feeling if they went into one of the real classes. But in that setup, which I feel also is so much useful for them, because it gives them some sort of what you can call a safe environment. They want to learn, they want to understand, and they get so happy and excited when at the end they find a game that is working, and they can play the game, they can get score, they can hear sounds, saying how excited they are when they see a working game in front of them. That's really makes the day very, very good and fun. Yeah. If you have the tools, if you have the power, if you have the mindset that you can do it, then nothing is going to stop you. If you want to finish something, you will be able to do it. You will be able to finish. I finished my master's with a twin girls, so if I can do that, then anyone can do anything in the world. We need to open more doors for them. We need to let them think that whatever they feel like I will never be able to do is something that they can do. It's not impossible. You can do it. You're capable. Worth to have that initiative continuing, and it's also more worth to have it as a free, so that we give more opportunities for people to try.
Oh,